Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are used instead of the nouns to mention people or things without naming them. In other words, personal pronouns are substitutes for nouns. At this example, Susan loves. We will substitute Susan by a personal pronoun. When we do that, we've got she loves, where the personal pronoun she substitute Susan. As personal pronouns, we've got subject pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they, and object pronouns me, you, him, her, it, us, you, and them. What's the difference between subject pronouns and object pronouns? The difference is very simple. Subject pronouns are the ones before the verb. So subject pronouns always take action. In this case, we have Susan and Luis love. When we substitute the nouns Susan and Luis, they go before the verb. Therefore, we substitute Susan and Luis by a subject pronoun because they are the ones who are taking action. When it comes to object pronouns, we'll find them after the verb. Object pronouns always receive the action. When we look at this example, Susan loves Luis. We substitute the noun Luis, which is after the verb. Therefore, we've got Susan loves him. We used an object pronoun because it goes after the verb and it's receiving the action. One other example for an object pronoun. Susan loves children. We substitute children by an object pronoun because it goes after the verb. Children is plural, so we take an object pronoun, plural, them. Susan loves them. Another thing about the object pronouns is that they can also work on their own. When we have the question, who? We may always answer with an object pronoun by its own. For example, who loves? In this case is Susan. So the right answer would be her after the verb. Who loves? Her. In this other case, we substitute it by using subject pronouns. Who loves? Susan loves, therefore she loves. As it goes before the verb, we use a subject pronoun. Let me show you few examples to leave it very, very clear for you. Subject pronouns are the ones in red on your left, and object pronouns are the ones in green on your right at the end of the sentence after the verb. Therefore, I as a subject pronoun, kiss you after the verb as an object pronoun. Later we have you before the verb as a subject pronoun, kiss me as an object pronoun after the verb. She likes him. He likes her. We help it. It helps us. You call them. They call you. This is all about personal pronouns.